Welcome back. This is 𝗪𝗪𝗁𝗀, the Director of Platform and Software Sales for Vantron Technology. I'm going to continue the series, and today we're going to focus on our software management or OTA infrastructure for our Android MDM. So coming through our dashboard, you come in here and go to Software Management. A couple things to note here. We have the list of all previous pushes or updates that we have attempted through the platform. And you're going to have this, and this never gets deleted. So you're going to have the complete history. Let's go into one that has multiple devices. This is an agent update. You're going to get a full report of successes and failures of this particular push. And if it fails, you're going to have the information where exactly did it fail and why. Moving back, let's walk you through the task-based OTA and policy-based OTA, which is going to be handled in a different video. We're going to create it, select task-based, name it, hit next. Here, you get to choose between system, or this is the OS or firmware updates. This is application or agent. It's important in our platform to note that our platform allows you to update and test the agent as your manager of fleet. An agent is software, so it should be validated on Canary devices. Let's just go with application. I'm going to select with web view, see all the versions that we have of this. Let's go with the newest. Now you have schedule, define job, and execute immediately. We want to select, for my use case here, define and execute later. Let's choose Friday night, 1:30. And then you have these advanced options down here, which is permanent, silent upgrade, and sync afterwards. Hit next. Now you're going to choose the devices you want. You can hit select all, but this hasn't been tested and validated yet. So we're going to back out of this. And now we're just going to do a small test group of Canary devices, and this one's going to be 𝗧𝗃𝗃𝗍 devices. We're going to select, and boom. Now you have scheduled it for 1:30 a.m. for Friday night, and now you're going to push this particular APK to these devices to test and validate before you roll out to the entire fleet.